Assalamualaikum. My name is Umira Ashkin. Along with my group members, Muhammad Faiz bin Rusli, Muhammad Irfan Izzuddin and Muhammad Nazim bin Kanizam, are going to present about machine condition monitoring and fault diagnosis gear. This is the content of our slide. For the first and the fifth part, introduction and conclusion, is going to present by me, Umira Ashkin. For the second part, important things about gear failures, is going to present by Faiz Rusli. For the third part, how to prevent gear failures, is going to present by Irfan Izzuddin. For the fourth part, fault diagnosis of gear, is going to present by Nazim. Condition monitoring aims at detecting faults to minimize production costs and optimize predictive maintenance. Every machine, including rotating components, has a specific sound and vibration related to structural health state. Changes in the vibration can be used to detect incipient defects before they become critical. Gears are important component of rotating machine, and often the faults in this component are the cause of catastrophic breakdown of industrial application. Gearboxes play a main part in industrial applications such as transmission machinery and rotating machinery. Gear fault account for 60% of fault in gearbox, and 24% of gearbox disappointments are caused by ineffective maintenance activity. Gearbox condition monitoring and fault diagnostics are noteworthy, important for ensuring the secure running of machines and decrease costs on scheduled maintenance. Analysis of vibration signals is one of the foremost critical means used for condition monitoring and fault diagnostics in rotating machine. Changes in the vibration can be used to detect incipient defects before they become critical.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Rusli.
For this slide, I would like to present about the important things you should know about the gear failure. First is the moderate wear and tear. So, moderate wear causes a gear failure due to contact patterns that are favorable to the redundant and addendum areas. Alright. The cause of the gear failure is because the repeated use of the gear. That means in daily life, we need to use the machine every day, and the gear is keep running. So that means this damage can caused by repeated of the gear. So this damage can reduce by keeping gearbox sufficiently lubricated. So that means the gear, make sure the lubricant for the gear is the high quality and clean. Next is the excessive wear and tear. Okay, excessive wear result from moderate damage that is never addressed and causes periodic problem. Right. So this wear result in pitting on the surface of the gear. Pitting cause vibration within the gearbox, which is increased noise and damage to the gear. Next is the breakage. Breakage occurs when a tooth or teeth actually break away. As we can see the image, this is an example of the tooth or teeth fatal, means damage. So we can find evidence of breakage in the focal point of the wear that result in the break. Alright. This failure can occur due to high stress, excessive load, or insufficient lubricant. Alright. Like slide before, we need to use the high quality of lubricant and clean, so it can avoid the teeth damage, and also not to use the high excessive load and high stress. Alright, next is the abrasive damage. Abrasive damage also classified into the gear failure. So, abrasive wear appears as a radial scratch, grooves, and other marks that identify contact wear. Similar to moderate wear, abrasive wear and tear result when the lubrication is contaminated. The lubrication causes abrasion to the gear surface, which can result in increased noise, efficiency downgrade, and even gearbox failure. This type of gear damage can be prevented by replacing lubricant and keep lubricant clean. As we can see, this damage also because of the lubricant. So that means we need to use the high quality of lubricant because for example, if we use the low quality of lubricant, it can be the increased noise, and the tip of gear also can be a damage or fatal. So like slide before, we need to use the high quality of lubricant and clean. Alright, the last one of cause of gear failure is corrosion. Corrosion wear is a type of chemical breakdown process that can cause of gear failure. When lubricants are broken down, the chemical detracts that remains its away at the metal in the gear and can cause corrosion. Corrosion wear usually presents itself as fine, uniform pitting across the surface of gear. Corrosion can be prevented by using new lubricant that prevent oil from breaking down. Alright, from the 5 of causes failure in the gear, as we can see, we can conclude that the gear is important of the gear is the quality of lubricant. If we need to take care of the gear, we need to use the high quality of lubricant and keep maintenance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In my slide, I would like to present how to prevent gear failure. There are 3 ways to prevent gear failure. The first one is initial quality. So the meaning for initial quality is that we ensure that those working with a gear manufacturer that cares about the quality means that we find the manufacturing of the gear that take care of the quality of the gear when we want to buy it from our manufacturer. Next point is gear is be approved by the Gear Motion Quality Management System Certification to ISO 9001:2015, so that when we have the ISO system certification, so that the gear is very good quality when we want to use it and buy it, so that we will ensure the lifetime of the gear. The next things in prevent gear failure is to do maintenance. One of the type of maintenance that we can do is proactive maintenance, because it process improve efficiency and productivity of the gear. It also prevent deficiencies in power transmission with proactive maintenance solution before the damage occurs, so that when we do proactive maintenance, we will know which gear have been broken or not. We have schedules to check whether the maintenance have been done or not, so the damage we can prevent the damage before occurs. Next, gears should be regularly monitored and analyzed also be lubricated well with the gear oil, because when we maintain the gear by using gear oil or grease, it will protect for them from rust and corrosion, because something that has been, it has lifetime cycle, it has sometimes lifetime cycles. So when we use gear oil, it will improve the efficiency of the gear to work, and the transmission to working properly, so it might have damage to the gear. Lastly, in prevent gear failure is replacement. When the gear is showing sign of wear and tear, so it is a good time or good idea to replace it immediately, because when the gear has shown the sign of wear and tear, it might affect other gear when we were working. So it was the best idea is to remove it, change it to a new gear. When we do a replacement, we need to report on the condition of the internal parts and on the need for repairs or spare parts, because sometimes not all gear have a spare parts that we need to change. So that we need to ensure that the condition of the initial part is working properly or not. If the part have been damaged, then it should be replaced, because when gear is working with another gear, so that when the process is going on, so when one of the gear has been broken or damaged, it might affect other gears and will drop the efficiency of the production. That's all for
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazim bin Kanizam, and I want to present about fault diagnosis of gear. We have vibration analysis technique for doing diagnosis of gear. First, we have time domain analysis. Time domain analysis is the method to analyze the amplitude and phase information of the vibration time signal to detect the fault of gear rotor bearing system. Time domain analysis is very useful in analyzing impulsive signals from bearing or gear defects with non-steady and short transient impulses. Secondly, we have time waveform analysis. This method has been studied by equipment such as oscilloscopes, oscillograph, or vibrograph. This method can detect changes in the vibration signature caused by fault. It involves the visual inspection of the time history of the vibration signal. Thirdly, we have indices. What is indices? Indices is the combined of the peak value, root mean square level, and their ratio crest factor. These three combined methods are often used to quantify the time signal. The crest factor is defined as the ratio of the peak value to RMS level. It has been proposed as a trending parameter as it includes both parameters. Crest factors are reliable only in the presence of significant impulsiveness. And fourthly, we have frequency domain analysis. The frequency domain analysis is include fast Fourier transform, FFT. It used the difference of power spectral density of the signal due to the fault of gear and bearing to identify the damage of elements. The FFT is simply a class of special algorithm which implements the discrete Fourier transform DFT with considerable savings in computational time.
Conclusion: machine vibration may occur because of gear fault. A machine always needs a condition monitoring and a fault diagnosis in order to make sure the machine works for a long period. There are different types of gear failures that may cause high vibration in machine. Wear and tear, abrasive damage, corrosion and breakage are the most common gear failures. Excessive loading, unlubricated or wrong type of lubricant may cause a gear to undergo failure. Through vibration analysis techniques, a machine health can be predicted and decrease future problems regarding gear or any other component. That's all from us. Thank you.